Sin x is the same as what? So most people cram that the integral or the integration of sin x is the same as negative cos x. But how did we arrive into this situation? The question, that is the real question that we need to ask ourselves. Okay, so here from the basic calculus, you know that to integrate speed, you get height, distance, or displacement sometimes. Now in this case, the speed is sin x and the height is cos x. Let me take you into a very simple example. Imagine that you are in an elevator, or some people call it even a lift, and this elevator or lift has got 1, 2, 3, 4 floors. So here is the first floor, and you want to reach up to the fourth floor. So, and this elevator has got screen, and the screen is giving you the speed at which the elevator is moving. So when you are going up, the speed is positive, the speed is high, okay? But when you reach almost to the fourth floor, the speed goes down, right? So as the speed increases, you will find that the number of floors you're supposed to cover is decreasing. The number of floors you're supposed to cover is decreasing. So the speed here in this case is represented by sin x, and the height, which is 4, is represented by cos x. But why is it negative? Why not just cos x? The idea here is that I want you to look at and imagine in this elevator, when you're going up, the speed is too high. When you're going up, the speed is too high. And the number of floors you're going to cover is reducing. So the relationship between sin x and cos x is that when sin x increases, cos x decreases. That relationship, or the opposite direction relationship, makes cos to be negative. And that is why when you integrate sin x, it gives you negative of cos x. If you move to what you refer as the unit circle, this is the origin, and the unit circle is a circle whose radius is 1, okay, on all sides. At the top here, at the top there, sine, this is called the vertical height, and this is called the horizontal distance, okay? So the horizontal distance is cos x, and the vertical distance is sin x. If you move to the right direction, the sine, the vertical distance, is increasing and the horizontal distance is decreasing. This relationship again makes the cos to be negative. As sine increases, cos is also decreasing. And that's why we put negative before cos x. And of course, when you integrate any number, we have to put capital letter C. We add C to indicate the constant of integration.